friends, our today's topic is hobbies that will make you more smarter. It was believed that people are born with a given level of intelligence and the best we could do in life was to live up to our potential. Scientists have now proven that we can actually increase our potential and enjoy ourselves in the process. We now know that by learning new skills, the brain creates new neural pathways that make it work faster and better. So let's discuss some hobbies that will make you smarter and know the reason behind this. Our number one, play a musical instrument. Playing music helps with creativity, analytical skills, language, math, fine motor skills and more. It helps to strengthen the corpus callosum that links the hemispheres of the brain by creating new connections. And an improved corpus callosum helps with executive skills, memory, problem solving, and overall brain functions regardless of how old you are. Our number two, read anything. Reading reduces stress, which makes you feel better about yourself and increases all three types of intelligence: crystallized, fluid, and emotional. That helps with problem solving, putting different pieces of knowledge together to better navigate everyday life, detecting patterns, understanding processes, and accurately interpreting and responding to other people's feelings. Sometimes at work, this translates into better understanding how to make things happen and better managerial skills. On number three, exercise regularly. Occasion exercise alone doesn't do the trick. Regular exercise is much more effective than hard workouts every now and then. When exercising regularly, the cells are flooded with BDNF, a protein that helps with memory, learning, focus, concentration, and understanding. This is also often referred to as mental acuity. Some scientists speculate that sitting down for prolonged periods of time has the opposite effect and actually hinders our brain from working as well as it could. Number four, learning a new language. Forget solving puzzles to improve your memory and learn a foreign language instead. Research has shown that people who are bilingual are better at solving puzzles than people who speak only one language. Successfully learning new languages enables your brain to better perform any mentally demanding tasks. This includes the typical executive skills such as planning and problem solving. Additionally, speaking at least two languages positively affects your skill to monitor your environment and to better direct your attention to processes. Many people are told that because executives speak languages, they should learn Spanish or French if they want to move up to the ranks. Based on how the brain reacts to learning languages, it might be the other way around. Learning other languages might be the last missing link people need to get their brain ready to take on C-level jobs. On number 5, work out your brain. Sudoku, puzzles, riddles, board games, video games, card games, and similar activities increase neuroplasticity. This encompasses a wide varieties of changes in neural pathways and synapses that is basically the ability to the brain to reorganize itself. When nerve cells respond in new ways, that increases neuroplasticity, which allows us more ability to see things from different point of view and understand the cause and effects of behaviors and emotions. We become aware of new patterns and our cognitive abilities are improved. Considering that neuroplasticity is involved in impairments such as tinnitus, an increased amount can help prevent certain conditions. For instance, people with high neuroplasticity are less prone to anxiety and depression while learning faster and memorizing more. Point number 6 is meditation. Meditation becomes interesting to ambitious people because the study implies that we can control our brain waves and feel whatever we want to feel, whenever we want to. This means we can feel more powerful right before a negotiation, more confident when asking for a raise, and more convincing during a sales call. The general idea is that the brain can develop further and you can do it on purpose. Different activities stimulate different areas of your brain, so you can work on becoming unbeatable at your work, strengthen as well as improving your weaknesses. Focusing self-improvement on the brain is a good idea for anyone who feels that they are at their professional peak or maybe just have stopped getting better. Ambitious professionals and of course entrepreneurs who are looking to maximize their potential. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks for your valuable time.